Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is September the 8th, 2019, and I wanted to show you in this video how to collect Coreopsis seeds. Now, there are perennial and there are annual Coreopsis plants. This one here is an annual, but it does readily reseed itself. And there are both open pollinated varieties, heirloom, and there are also hybrid varieties. So this is the flower on this one here is pretty well spent, but you can kind of see what it looks like. They're really good for, like, if you like to do pressed flowers or something like that. They dry really quick, and they're really pretty to work with. So this one here is a flower that is just coming on your Coreopsis plant, and these here are flowers that are spent. You can see the difference with them here, and we're going to be collecting the seeds off of these today. And you can see on this particular seed pod right here, it's breaking open, so I'm just going to take this one here off and put it, okay, you can see the seeds falling out here in my hand. Hold on a minute here. Okay, let me just roll this in my fingers here to get the seeds out of it. Here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now, these have a lot of chaff in with them. So, I'm just going to get the rest of it out of here. The rest of it out of here. And these have a lot of chaff mixed in with the seeds, so I'm going to show you here what the seeds actually look like. You can see in my container here there's a lot of different stuff in there. Now, get one of these out here. Oops, hold on a moment. Get it out here. Okay, I got it right here. Okay, this is the seed right here. So this is right here is what the Coreopsis seed looks like. And the rest of that in there is what they call chaff. And you'll want to pick all of that out, and you'll want to just keep the seeds right here. So it's going to take a little bit to get the seeds out because there's a lot of chaff from the seed pods. But now you want to make sure when you harvest your seeds that the seed pods are dry and they're free of like rain and the morning dew. So you just want to make sure that they're dry so they don't mold on you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put mine in an envelope that's labeled, and I'm going to stick the envelope in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag to store my seeds for future plantings. Now a lot of these did drop their seeds, so they will regerminate and come back for me. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.